Hey guys, I'm Justin Boggs, the co-founder of Marketplace Valet. We help brands optimize and operate on Amazon. Since 2006, we have over 417,000 reviews as a seller. I'm here to discuss all things Amazon, solve problems, and answer common questions. Today's video is about what to do if you get review bombed on Amazon. Let's get into it. One of the most frustrating aspects of selling on Amazon is dealing with reviews. They play a huge role in building customer trust and driving sales, but they can also turn against a product very quickly. A strong rating above 4.5 stars increases conversions and clicks, while a drop below 4 stars can be catastrophic for a listing. In some cases, sellers experience sudden waves of 1-star reviews. While a few may reflect genuine customer issues, there are situations where these reviews are part of a coordinated attack. Unfortunately, this does happen. Competitors may hire illegitimate services to leave negative feedback, or activist groups may target products that contain a specific ingredient, material, or feature they oppose. If this happens, the first step is to investigate. Search your product name, ASIN, or listing link on Google. Sometimes these attacks are discussed on forums, Reddit threads, or niche online communities. If you find evidence of organized efforts to post fake reviews, it can strengthen your case with Amazon. The next step is to carefully review Amazon's community guidelines. Reviews that contain offensive language, conflicts of interest, or multiple submissions from the same buyer account are against policy. Competitors are also prohibited from leaving reviews on each other's products. Identifying clear violations is essential when reporting. Reviews can be reported directly through the Amazon platform or by emailing Amazon's review moderation team at communityhelp@amazon.com. While responses are not guaranteed, Amazon does investigate and may remove reviews that break the rules. Replaces. For more severe cases, involving legal professionals may be necessary. Attorneys can draft cease and desist letters to stop malicious competitors from continuing coordinated review attacks. At the same time, sellers should use this as an opportunity to strengthen their listings. Improved product images, enhanced A+ content, and clearer instructions can address potential misunderstandings that might otherwise lead to negative reviews in the future. Although review bombs can feel overwhelming, they do not have to define a product's success. With the right strategy, it is possible to mitigate the damage, restore customer trust, and move forward stronger. If you have any questions or need help growing your brand on Seller Central, feel free to check us out at marketplacevalet.com. Like and follow us for more helpful Amazon content. Thanks for watching this video.